The Battery Tender Junior 6-volt charger is designed to provide a full charge to your vehicle's battery before transitioning to a maintenance mode, ensuring long-term storage without the risk of overcharging. It is compatible with all 6-volt lead-acid flooded AGM and gel cell batteries, and its 4-step charging program optimizes battery power better than a standard trickle charger. This charger comes with a ring terminal and alligator clip combo cable, a 5-year warranty, and lifetime customer support, making it a reliable investment. Its compact design, weighing only 0.65 pounds, is complemented by spark-proof circuitry and automatic reverse hookup detection for simple and safe use. The solid-state 2-color LED light provides clear indication of the charging status, and the automatic charge cycle functionality ensures the battery is kept in optimal condition. Certified by ETL US, CSA, FCCS, and BC, this charger offers assurance of quality and safety standards.